we have three lines, white, red and the blue one, so all of them confirm the upcoming trend. 5 more seconds left. Let's see the result. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to use a strategy which uses three indicators, fractal chaos, moving average and ADX, and we'll see how we can make profit from these three indicators if combined together. So this is a really interesting strategy and very simple to use. And as always, I would say this is a disclaimer. My money is my money. I can do whatever I want, and the same thing with your money. You have the right what you do with your money. So this is just education content. So let's start the setup of the market and start our trading session. So let's take these currency pairs which you can see here on the screen. One more maybe, yes. And let's take S15 candle frames, ADX, fractal chaos and moving average we have today. Let's also change the settings. I'll change some of the colors. You can leave the default colors or choose any colors which you like. Change the period styles, 3 pixels, and also change ADX, some of the styles, and white. Yes, so I think yes, we are all set up. We have $100 today. Let's see how much we can make from this amount. So let's start our trading session. Let's see the first trade. Let's find an entry point and let's make some profit. So let's change the amount. Let's take $90 so that we have $10 left in case we don't make money. So we have three indicators here and $90. Trade placed in a buy position. Let's see why. So the first one we have is fractal chaos indicator. We can see that the candles right now are outside the graph, or to be precise, they are below the graph, and it means that there should be a market correction or trend reversal. And same case with moving average. We can see the line is above the candles, so the price is not correct, and the same with ADX also. We can see the white and red lines are quite strong, so this is a quite strong trend, so it should go up. And here's the first profit, $172 from this one, as I said. So we had three indicators. We see if it's possible to have a price reversal. We analyze the market, we place a trade according to our analysis. So let's switch to second pair, see how these indicators work, and let me explain more about these indicators. So let's switch to CHF and NOK pair. We can increase the amount to $150 and we can see an entry point here, and we have placed a trade in buy position, and let's analyze it with the indicators. So let's see first with ADX. We can see that we have three lines, white, red and the blue one. So we can see that the white and red, they are above 20 points, so it means that the trend is quite strong. So ADX tells you how strong is the trend. We can see values above 25 are quite strong, and with fractal chaos we can see that the candles are between the indicator or the cloud formed, and the same case with moving average. So all of them confirm the upcoming trend, and we just follow it and make profit, like in this case $276 just in a simple trade. So with the total amount we have is $29 here. So let's switch to next trade and make some more money. So next trade, let's switch to USD and SGD. Let's increase the amount to $280, and we have this downgoing trade or this seller position here in this trade. So if we see the indicators, first start with ADX, we can see the negative value, which is the white line, is quite strong. So it shows that the market is going down and the trend is quite strong. Also, if we see the other indicators, we can see that the candles are below the market, below this cloud formed by fractal chaos, and also below the moving average. And so the market is going down. We can confirm the trend strength with ADX and place a trade in the same direction which we think the market will go. So 5 more seconds left. Let's see. And here's the result: $537 from this trade and total of $567 in the account. Let's move to next pair and see the market there. Let's switch to AUD and CHF. Increase the amount. Let's take $500 and we'll open a buy position here in this trade. Let me tell you why. So first we can confirm the direction of the trend with ADX indicator. So the value is above 25, quite strong trend, quite strong upgoing trend, I would say. And the same thing with the other indicators. So we can confirm this trend with fractal chaos. We can see that the market or the candle is already going out of this cloud formed by fractal chaos. And the same thing with moving average. We can see that the candles are above the moving average indicator line. So in this case, it shows that the market is going up and the market is bullish, yes, and you can place a trade in buy position. 5 more seconds left. Let's see the result. And yeah, we are $935 of profit from this trade and a total of almost $1,000. Let's switch to next pair and see, analyze the market, find some new entry point and make some more money. Okay, let's switch to GBP and USD back and take $900 this time, and we have placed a trade in buy position here in this case. Let's analyze. So we have the ADX and the positive line here, the red and the blue lines, around 35 points. So 35 points is it's quite strong trend it shows. So it shows that the market is going up and the trend is quite strong. And also we can analyze it with the other indicators. So first one, fractal chaos, we can see that the candles are outside the cloud, outside the upper part of the cloud. So it shows that we have new highs here and the market is going up. The same thing with the moving average. We can see that the candles or the market graph is above this moving average line. So 3 seconds and here's the profit of $1,728, and total we started with $100 and we have made 18x, so $1,830 in our account. So that was it, 18x as I said. So I think it was a successful trading session if we made 18x from the amount which we had. So if you like the video, please press the like button. If you have any questions, write me in the comments. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe it. And as always, I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.